Hello, good morning students. Today we'll start one of the heavyweight chapters, circle. Practice at 3.1. So let's begin with the first sub question. Look, the question is radius of circle with center C is 6 centimeter. So this is the circle with center C having radius CA as 6 centimeter. Next, AB is a tangent at A. So look, this line AB is what? Tangent at point A. Next, we need to answer the following questions. So first sub question is, we need to find major angle CAB. Where is CAB? Look, CAB. So let's start this solution. Okay. What do we know? This CA is what? Radius. So here I am writing radius. So what do I know? AB is what? Tangent. So this line is what? Tangent. We all know tangent is perpendicular to the radius at the point of contact. This is the first theorem of your circle chapter. So tangent is perpendicular to the radius at the point of contact. It means AB and CA both are what? AC is perpendicular to AB. Why? Because first theorem, tangent is perpendicular to radius. So tangent theorem. Okay, I have already explained this theorem to you in my previous videos. So please go back and follow those videos. So AC is perpendicular. So what do we know? Every perpendicular will give you which angle? Right angle. Therefore, we will write major angle CAB becomes 90 degree. Clear everyone? Understood? So I got the answer for angle CAB as 90 degree, and the reason is what? Reason is this. Okay, so we have followed. So we got answer for both the questions. Now move to second question. That was first question. Now let's see second sub question. What is distance of point C from AB and Y? Where is C? This is my point C. Now the question is, what is the distance of point C from AB? So I need to measure this distance, right? What do I know? C is the center of circle and AB is what? Tangent, right? So I need to find the distance of C from AB. What I can say? I can see here C is what? Center. So CA becomes radius, right? So I can write here, what is the distance of point C? So I can see, look, AC is what? 6 centimeter. Why? Because AC is radius of circle. Why AC 6 centimeter? Because radius of circle. And the question was, second question, why? Because it is given, AC is given what? Radius of circle. So it is given, therefore AC is what? 6 centimeter. Clear everyone? Now next one. Find the distance AB. Sorry, distance AB is given 6 centimeter. Where is AB? This is 6 centimeter. And we need to find distance BC. This distance. This we need to find out. What is the distance of this BC? So I can go back in triangle. Can we see the triangle CAB? Yes, in triangle CAB. Right? What you can see? Angle A. Angle A is what? 90 degree. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, let us apply Pythagoras theorem here. Now, what this theorem says? First side AC square plus second side BC square is equals to hypo square. Hypo is BC or CB, right? Now what is the measurement of AC? Look, AC was my radius and radius was given 6 centimeter. So here I write square of 6. BC is what? Already given, 6 centimeter. This was AB, not BC. Okay. Now 6 square, this will give me 36. This will also be 36. So BC square as it is. Now 36 plus 36, how much? This will give me 72. Therefore, if I take square root, taking square root, 72 will give me what? 6 root 2 centimeter. Clear all? So we got this as 6 root 2 centimeter. This was my third solution. 1, 2, 3 we done. Right? Now, let's see the fourth question. What is fourth question? Distance. Yes, fourth question. Measure angle ABC. Look, ABC means I need to find this angle. Right? Measure angle ABC and Y. So again I'll go back to in triangle. In triangle ABC, right? What we can see? We can see two sides are equal. Which two sides? AC is equals to what? AB. Why both are equal? Because both are 6 centimeter. Now students, a triangle whose two sides are equal. Which triangle it is? An isosceles triangle. Whenever your two sides are equal, so that triangle becomes which angle? Which sides? The triangle becomes isosceles if two sides are equal. So, opposite of AC, where is my AC? Let us check. AC, opposite of AC is what? Angle B. Right? Similarly, opposite of AB, side AB, opposite of AB is what? Angle C. If two sides are equal, so their opposite angles are also equal. And the reason for this? By isosceles triangle property. By isosceles triangle property. Clear everyone? Now, what is the measurement of B? We don't know. We also don't know the value of C, but we know what? Measurement of B and C, both the angles are equal. Now, again if I go back to this triangle, there are three angles, angle A plus angle B plus angle C. What do we know? We know the sum of all angle of a triangle is how much? 180 degree. The reason we'll write here. Sum of triangle is 180 degree. Right? Now angle A, do we know A? Yes, A is given 90 degree. Angle B we don't know. But what do I know? We know that B is equals to C. So at the place of B, can I write C? Yes. So we'll write here C. This C as it is. 180 degree. Clear? Or the same thing, what I can do? I can keep my B as it is. I will replace my C with B. Why? Because in my question, look at here, what I need to find? I need to find measure angle B. So what I'll do? I will turn everything into B. Now 90 as it is, this 90 I'll move that side. 1 angle B, 1 angle B. How much? Angle B plus angle B? 2 angle B. Now 180 plus 90 will give me minus 90. So 2 angle B is equals to 180 minus 90. 90 degrees. This 2 is multiplying. We'll shift this 2 to that side. So 90 upon 2. Divide this. You will get angle B is equals to 45 degree. Clear everyone? Since angle B is 45 degree, therefore what do we know? We know that angle B was equals to angle C. So both are what? 45 degrees. The reason is they both were isosceles triangle property. Clear everyone? So students, this was the question number 1, right? Look, C was the center of circle, AB was the tangent, and AC is the radius of circle, Similarly, distance AB was given 6 centimeter, right? According to given condition, we solve this of question 1, 2, 3 and 4th. Clear all? I hope you all have understood this solution. This was the 4th solution. Okay? Hope you all have understood. Thank you so much.